Procreate Grayscale. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. People search for this tutorial because converting color images to grayscale in Procreate Pocket helps improve contrast, focus on lighting, and prepare artwork for editing, printing, or shading practice. Start by opening Procreate Pocket on your device and wait for it to load into the gallery screen so you can begin working on your project. Tap the plus icon in the gallery to create a new canvas. Then choose your preferred canvas size based on your needs and confirm the selection to open the blank canvas. Next, tap the Actions menu at the top of the screen, go to the Add section, and tap Insert a photo to bring in the color image you want to convert. Select the image from your files and place it on the canvas. Then adjust the image size using the transform tools if needed so it fits properly. After placing the image, tap the Adjustments icon and select Hue, Saturation, Brightness to open the color adjustment settings. Drag the saturation slider all the way down to 0% to remove all color from the image and turn it into grayscale. Then tap the screen to apply the changes. Open the Adjustments menu again and select Curves to improve the contrast and tonal range of the image. Adjust the curves slightly by lifting the highlights upward and lowering the shadows downward to create stronger contrast. Then tap the screen again to apply the changes. Open Adjustments once more and select Brightness to fine-tune the overall brightness if the image looks too dark or too bright, and adjust the contrast if needed to achieve stronger blacks and clearer highlights. When you are satisfied, tap the Layers panel, duplicate the image layer, and change the blend mode of the top layer to Luminosity to refine tonal depth. Lower the opacity of the top layer to balance the tones naturally. Then merge the layers if you are satisfied with the result. Zoom in closely to check detail clarity and make any final adjustments if necessary. Finally, tap Actions, select Share, and then tap Save Image to export your finished grayscale image to your device.